Guys, this is a nectarine. Ganito yung itsura niya. A stone fruit sold across Norway. You know that nectarine is not a hybrid peach or plum. It is actually a natural mutation of a peach. In botanical classification, nectarine belongs to Rosaceae or the rose family. Same agricultural classification as apple, pears, plums, and cherries. This fruit contains vitamin A, C, B3 or also known as niacin, 9 or the folic acid, and key minerals such as great source of potassium. Ganyan yung itsura ng loob niya. Ang lasa niya is talagang pinaghalo-halong plum, cherries. Masarap. Sweet.